Thank you, thank you. Kung gusto niyo magpatest sa inyong blood sugar, kung diabetic ba kayo o hindi. Ano, panood ko na to. Watching ako ulit nito. Inday Mirna. Damtang. Salamat, Inday Mirna. Thank you, thank you. Sir Bogs, nagutom ako sa ano mo, sa sushi. Manang MJ, sis, no? Stitching idea with, ano, thank you. Hi, sister. Hello, Stitching. Jordim, bom dia. I love you, Jordim. Like that. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the like, sis. Jordim, I love you, Jordim. Where is my life? There we go. Thank you, sis Nob. Naghahanap ako ng di ko pa napapalab sa'yo. How are you, sister? I'm tired, but you still need to go live. Thank you. Thank you for supporting me even I'm here in Brunei. Thank you so much, guys. Sis Nob, naghahanap ako ng wala ko pang ano. Sis, tulog na ako si Santok na. Sige, tulog ka na. Thank you so much. Ano pa papanoorin ko kay Sis Nob? Ayun. Salamat Sis Donna. Miss na kita. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Flower of coconut. Salamat, Mamita. Ang lakas ng ulan, grabe. Dumadagong yung ulan. Jordi Moti W to your channel, Jordi. Salamat, Mamita ko. Grabe, ang lakas ng ulan. Jordi, watching you, sleep na ako. Okay, salamat. Mag-ano rin doon, maya-maya rin, mag-end na ako kasi parang hindi ko na rin kaya, Mamita. I feel busy na rin. Hindi ko na yata kaya ng 2 oras. Itutulog ko na lang din. Oo, Mamita, mag-end na rin ako maya-maya. I-play ko lang tong mga to. Naka-play ka, Mamita. Thank you so much. Stitching OTW to your channel. Stitching. And Stitching, watching your video. Very easy umbrella cut, baby. Baby frock. 89 like. Stitching. Good night, Mamita. Thank you so much. God bless. Ayan, watching, stitching. Very easy umbrella cut. Good night. 7 million in the house. Thank you for your support. Jordim, done watching your video. Stitching, thank you. Ayan. I will play all your videos after this, guys, and thank you, 7 million in the house. Thank you for your support. I need to say good night because I'm really tired. See you again next time, or see you again maybe tomorrow night or the other night. And thank you guys for your support. Tandaan natin, every kissing is a blessing. Bye!